So hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome. I'm Drac, but when I'm in drag, I go by Luna Rose, cause I'm the flower that blooms at night. And as you can read from the title of today's video, we're going to be doing a new kind of drag haul as well as a try-on. So it's pretty much just going to be a bunch of cute little new things I got for my drag wardrobe for my Halloween series, which will be starting next week, as well as just like a bunch of cute like shoes and accessories and just the works of it all. So let's get into it, shall we? Good tongue pop. So the majority of things I picked up I did get from eBay, but I thought I'd start off with just a couple of pairs of shoes I picked up from JustFab, which I'm planning to wear for my Halloween series. So the first shoe I picked up from JustFab is this absolutely stunning kind of gothic-y kind of heeled boot. I absolutely love black, sexy, kind of witchy looking heeled boots, and you will be for sure seeing this in an upcoming Halloween transformation. I just think it's so witchy and wicked, and yeah, I think it's super cute. So the first shoe I got is, you know, a black heeled boot. Also from JustFab, I did pick up a blue kind of a thigh-high velvet pair of shoes. I do absolutely love thigh-high pairs of shoes, so anytime I see one that catches my eye, you guys know I'm going to be picking it up and rocking the hell out of it. The next pair of heels I picked up, I got from Drag Pole Shoes. I will link their website down below. I have followed them for such a long time on Instagram, and every single time they posted this pair of heels, I was like, one day I'll buy them. One day I'll buy them, and I finally caved in. I finally treated myself to probably my favourite pair of heels I ever own. And they look so stunning. It is an absolutely stunning extreme thigh-high, extreme platform pink snake print shoe, and girl, when I tell you these shoes give me life, they just give me all the life I need. They are so pretty, so stunning, and I really want to do a full-on like signature drag look with pink snake print and these shoes being the focus, since, whew, girl, I just had to show them on my channel. Like, they're too pretty. And then everything else I picked up in this haul I got from eBay, so let's dive in. Okay, so the first thing I got from eBay is also heels. You guys know me, I love me some shoes, and this one comes in very handy for my Halloween series. Again, my Halloween series starts next week, so I hope you guys are ready. I am planning to do 31 transformations all throughout October, and you know, this shoe comes in handy. It is a really nice like gothic kind of a bat wing print with like a spinal cord kind of heel moment heel, and girl, it gives me all like the afterlife realness I could ever ask for. I think it's so fierce, so gothic, so punky, and yeah, you're gonna see it in my Halloween series. And coincidentally, the next thing I got from eBay was also a pair of heels, but I could literally not resist these any longer. I finally own my first pair of clear platform stripper heels. I have wanted a clear kind of set of heels for such a long time, and these were like a complete bargain on eBay. I think there was £20 or £25, so yeah, I think there was a complete bargain. So cute, so fierce, and I finally own my first pair of like official stripper shoes. So proud. And then everything else I got from eBay is pretty much accessories or full-on outfits. So the next thing I ended up grabbing is like a nice little soft blue kind of fur little shawl moment. I just wanted like a little faux fur shawl in a nice bright blue to do like a eleganza kind of extravaganza moment with like a cute little shoulder piece or something, and this was super inexpensive, which you can kind of tell by it not being like fur on both sides, but I just think it adds that like little class and sophistication to a certain look. So yeah, the next thing I bought is a little blue bit of faux fur. Okay, bitch, so the next thing I got from eBay is one of the fiercest, like, cheapest outfits I think I've ever found on eBay, and I absolutely love houndstooth print. It is one of my favourite prints of all time, and I'm always obsessed with seeing it in, like, all different manners, but I absolutely love pink houndstooth, and the next dress I picked up is a nice little simple kind of tube dress of a pink houndstooth print, but what I thought was super cute is that it comes with a matching set of gloves, and I recently have decided that I want to learn how to sew, so I figured if I have a nice pair of gloves that fits me and a nice like dress, I can use this as a pattern and recreate this style in so many different styles and like garments and fabrics and the works. So hopefully it looks good on my body, hopefully it fits, and I just love pink houndstooth, and I know I'm like a really cute little co-ord set, so let me know if you want to see this as like a full-on transformation, since I'm living for it. So the next thing I grabbed from eBay is like a full-on outfit, and if you guys know anything about anime, you will know that this is the uniform of... Anybody? No? You know Gaslight from Mirai Nikki? That is one of my favourite animes of all time, and I really want to do like a full-on like, you know, transformation with like the pink wig and, you know, like the crazy knife kind of moment, but yeah, I never had a costume for it, and now I do. This is not going to be one of my Halloween transformations, but I definitely want to do a transformation of her at some point in the future, since I really want to get into cosplay and do more like creative kind of different out there looks, and I think this is a really cute little uniform, so hopefully it fits me. I've obviously like never taken it out the bag or anything yet, so we'll see what she looks like on, and you'll maybe see it in the future, girl. Also, the cat suit I'm currently wearing, I wore for my Catwoman transformation last year for my Halloween series, and I did also get this from eBay, but down the same route, I picked up like a black kind of leathery look little mini skirt, but what I thought was like extra fierce and very much not YouTube friendly to it is that the back part is like a leather like thong, and I just thought this was so like cute to wear for like a certain special transformation in which I'm feeling very body confident to wear a black like latexy looking thong. But yeah, I thought it was a really cute little combination, and for sure at some point definitely on my Patreon I'll be rocking the hell out of this skirt, girl. So I did tell you guys I absolutely love houndstooth print, and when I bought that pink houndstooth print like dress and little glove combo, the thing that came up as like a recommended thing was, you know, more houndstooth. This one is just a white houndstooth bodysuit, and I know it's not long enough to actually fit me, but I figured I could tuck it into that skirt or, you know, wear it in some way, shape or form and give me more of my houndstooth life, since I absolutely love the print and, you know, I couldn't resist buying more of it. So the next two things I picked up from eBay are both kind of like body shaping kind of things. So I picked up a little kind of French pannier little, you know, like side tulle skirt thing, as well as a black little cage skirt. I really want to make use of these when I start sewing some more costumes and like adding fun silhouettes to my drag look. So if I'm going more like Marie Antoinette, I can add like the little pannier side panels, or for the cage skirt, I'm tempted to like put some fun things over it to give me like a really like interesting like Victorian silhouette. But yeah, I figured why not try something to change up my body that isn't just wearing like padding or a corset and really like alter my shape. So yeah, let me know if you want me to do like a full-on like Marie Antoinette vibe or like a full-on Victorian moment, since I have the tools for it now, girl. So the next thing I picked up gives me full-on like pin-up kind of Queen of Hearts vibe. So I'm tempted to wear this around Valentine's Day and do like a full-on like pin-up Queen of Hearts moment, since it's just a nice little like checkered print dress with some nice like red lace trim on it, and it is in very much like the style of like the 19 whatevers where those pin-up girls. And yeah, I just thought it was something a little bit different for me in terms of silhouette and style, and it was super cute, girl. Terrible tongue pop, I've lost it. Okay, so the next thing I picked up, I plan to do another like cosplay transformation on, since if you guys recognize this school uniform, you guys have a good taste in anime. It is for Yumiko Jabami, and I just think she is like fierce as hell, and I want to do like a full-on like gambling busty anime babe at some point in the future. So I did buy the entire set, but it's all in like different pieces in the box, so it kind of came with like a jacket, a skirt, a shirt, and like little tights. So yeah, for sure in the future you'll see me being Yumiko. Also, the like skirt that they wear in that like anime is like houndstooth print, so it's even like fiercer to me and making me want to do even more, girl. So the next thing I picked up is just a simple kind of white cropped tank top, but what I thought was super cute about this is that the kind of straps in it are like big like belt buckly almost looking things, and I just thought it looked really cute if I wear it with my breastplate and just like a sheer white tank top over them for a certain transformation going up on my Patreon at the end of October. Subscribe to see it. Okay, so the next bunch of things I picked up from eBay are all kind of the similar like style, since I for sure got sucked down the little rabbit hole of like morph suit bodysuits. So I picked up a variety of different things from a bunch of different anime. So this is for Urahara from My Hero Academia, and I just really like the way these like bodysuits are printed, since they're kind of printed with like shadows and like actual contours and everything in it. So yeah, for sure in the future I want to do a whole series of different cosplay transformations, and I now have some really cute like bodysuits to bring their actual like outfits to life in like a really nice way. So yeah, I'm hoping they look cute on my body, since I love these. Okay, so the next one I picked up, I hope you guys recognize, since I think this is so fierce, and again, it comes with nice like body shadow contouring and everything on it, so I'm hoping it looks absolutely sickening on my body. But this one is Zero Suit Samus from Metroid, and yeah, like I said, I really want to do like a full like cosplay gaming set of transformations, so I definitely bought quite a lot of these like jumpsuit, bodysuit, morph suit things, so hopefully they look good on my body, girl. Okay, so the next like bodysuit, morph suit thing I picked up is full-on Harley Quinn vibes. The more like original one, not the Suicide Squad one, since I just love Harley Quinn. She's always been one of my favourite villains, and I really want to bring the more like classic Harley Quinn to life. So yeah, I'm hoping the bodysuit looks snatched on my body. The next two like morph suit bodysuit things I picked up are both from Neon Genesis Evangelion, which I'm currently like rewatching on Netflix, since I haven't seen it in like 10 years, so rewatching it now is such like a fun nostalgia trip. So I picked up the red kind of morph suit bodysuit as well as the pink little morph suit bodysuit, and again I really want to do a full on like cosplay series transformation, so let me know what you think of me in these outfits. I think they're fierce as fuck. So the next thing I picked up from eBay doesn't leave a lot to the imagination, since it is a full-on pink metallic swimsuit bodysuit with a very thong kind of cut bikini bottom. I think this is so fierce and was so inexpensive, so I'm praying to God it looks good on my body, since I have a special use for this coming maybe in the next week or two on my channel, since I just think it's so fierce, so stunning, and yeah, like I said, expect to see it soon, if it fits me. Haven't tried it on yet, girl. And we're back with shoes to break up the little like morph suit bodysuit cosplay montage, and this was one of them pair of heels that I saw as like a recommended thing, and it was kind of like, when am I really ever gonna wear that? But at the same time it's kind of cute, since it is a nude thigh-high pair of heels, which I haven't really seen much of before, so I'm hoping it looks a little bit more like tan on my skin as opposed to like blending into my tight colour. But yeah, something a little bit different, something kind of cute, and for sure some point in the future I will find a way to wear these. Terrible tongue pop, losing my skills. And we also do have another pair of thigh-high heels, and just like the pink snake print ones that I showed at the start, this next pair of heels is like giving me all the life I could ever want, and it's been on my wish list for such a long time, so I finally treated myself to a pair of like pink PVC latex thigh-high boots, and again, these kind of shoes just give me life. I love pink, I love thigh-high, and everything about the shoe is just sex to me, so I cannot wait to wear these, girl. Okay, so just like that pink metallic like little bodysuit number, I did also pick it up in a metallic blue, but I feel like this one's a lot higher waisted and like more thong cut than the pink, but again, I've not even tried them on yet, so hopefully they look okay on my body, since they do not leave a lot to the imagination, but I do absolutely love the like pink blue metallic moment, so yeah, I think it's really fierce and sexy, so hopefully I feel fierce and sexy in it. I did also grab another one of them little like morph suit bodysuits in a kind of skeleton print with all like roses all on it. You guys know my drag name is Luna Rose, so I figured it would only be appropriate, since I saw it on the little like seller's items, that I bought like a kind of a rosy kind of print bodysuit, and at some point in the future I want to do a full on like skeletal rose moment, since I think it would just be kind of fierce. So yeah, I now have a bodysuit to bring that to life whenever I feel like filming it, and yeah, it's just another bodysuit that I saw and thought, it's pretty fierce, girl. I will rock the shit out of that at some point in the future. So again, hopefully it looks good on my body, hopefully it fits right, and I can slay in the future, girl. The literal tongue pop powers have gone. Fully gone. Not even there anymore. Better. And then the final thing I picked up is very Halloween themed, but is not for a look that I actually have for Halloween. A couple of years ago, I did do a Beetlejuice Babe transformation, and I pretty much only bought the bralette top part of that, since a couple of years ago on my channel, I never used to show like the body portion. It was literally just tits up and that be it. So I never bought the matching skirt to that like top part, so I finally caved in and bought myself a little Beetlejuice Babe high-waisted stripy skirt, and at some point I really want to do another like Beetlejuice transformation, since that film honestly means so much to me, and that video that I filmed has such a special place in my heart of what happened on the day I filmed that and everything. So at some point I really want to recreate like a Beetlejuice Babe, so I finally bought the matching skirt to my top. Oh wait, it wasn't quite the final thing I picked up from eBay. The last thing I grabbed is a fake $100 bill little wad for a future transformation I am planning to do. Obviously after all my Halloween series is done and filmed and edited, since not gonna lie girl, it has taken up my entire life, and I hope you guys are excited for my Halloween series that starts from October 1st, obviously all the way through up until Halloween. I'm trying to do 31 transformations, so pray for me. It is a lot of work, a lot of effort, and a lot of time editing, so I'm hoping I can do it. I'm hoping I can deliver a bomb-ass Halloween series, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below which thing I picked up was your favourite, or if you're excited for my Halloween series. And don't forget to subscribe to a bitch and hit that notification bell to tell you when I upload. There should be one new video every single Monday, but like I said, my Halloween series will start from next week and run all throughout October, so make sure that bell is hit to tell you when I upload videos and just extra content and just extra posts and updates and the works of it all. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye. Terrible tongue pop, my powers have gone. Better. Bye.